Let's move on to the next question. The equation of the curve is this. Okay, good to know. The equation of the line is this. Okay, we have a curve and we have a line. On the same diagram, sketch the curve and the line between this domain. So pretty easy. First, we have to sketch the curve y equal to 3 cos 2x. Now again, whenever we have such a curve, we will use a table of values. So x here and y, beginning with 0, obviously. And because we have 2 here, we take pi by 2, divided by 2. That will be pi by 4. That makes sense. Because we usually take 90 degrees divided by this value over here. That should be 45 degrees. And that should be pi by 4. Again, the reason why I do this is because I can find an interval that I can work with, so my values of y will be exact. For example, here my interval will be 45 degrees, which is pi by 4, plus pi by 4, plus pi by 4, and plus pi by 4. That should be these values, so that I can have exact values of y. So 3 cos, here we have to use radians. Here we have 2 times 0, that should be 0, that will be 3. And here we have pi over 4. So again, we have to use, 2, I forgot 2, so 3 cos, 2 times pi over 4, that should be 0. Here we have pi over 2, that should be minus 3. Here we have 3 pi over 4. I'm missing 2 again, my apologies. So you have 3 cos, 2 times 3 is 6 pi over the value of 4, that will be 0. And finally, just for pi, that should be 2 pi, because here we have 2, we don't miss out the value of 2, right? That should be 3. As you can see, these are the values of y for the values of x, so we can kind of sketch this in the graph. Of course, you will be using a ruler for yourself, so you can have some exact values as you go through this question. That will be my x values and my y values. Let's say 3 is here, and minus 3 is over here. Here we have 0, here we have pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, and then finally pi, because that's all we need, right? Again, you'll be using a ruler and try your best, also a pencil, and try your best to join those points with a smooth line. First point is 0, 3, should be here, and this will be 0 here, and here we have this point, here we have this point, and here we have this point. So your graph will look something like this, right? Okay, so here you go. This is y equal to 3 cos 2x. Now for the other one, we have a straight line, which is x plus 2y equal to this. Now you can see this one is a straight line. So because it is a straight line, we just need to find 2 points on the line and then join them by a straight line. For example, I can first find when x equal to 0, y will be pi by 2. So here we have a first point. 0 pi by 2 should be 1. So I guess it is not easy to work with that point because it is not exact, right? Pi divided by 2, it is 1.57. I don't know exactly what that is. So let me kind of play with this. For example, if x equal to pi, right? That will be what? Pi. You have pi plus 2y equal to pi. So 2y will be 0. So y will be 0. So pi 0, that should be over here. That's the first point. And then what other points can I have? Again, it is only a sketch. We don't need to be exact. I guess I'll just go the other route. I'll just go with this point then. 0 and 1.57 should be somewhere over here. We can mark this as pi by 2, just to show that you know what value you found to join those two lines. So here you go. This will be my line. This is x plus 2y equal to pi. So that will be the sketch. Again, sketch doesn't need to be exact, but you have to show the point of interest. For example, the point here, and the points that we have join to form those smooth curve.